Hi guys, Hairy Homestead here. Well, the guy's finally turned up with his Bobcat, not a mini digger, so he's going to start the work now. He's going to start by levelling this up and then start digging out down here.
Spin on a dime, those things, can't they?
Well, he's gone now as the guy with the Bobcat. It's made a massive difference. I just need to come along with a shovel and a rake and just straighten things out and get some of this white gravelly stony stuff spread out further up, so we've got something hard to park on. As you can see, it's probably twice as wide as it was before. There's plenty of room to get a car in. All this area here that is scraped, we'll just let it grass over naturally, so in the next year or two, probably next year, it'll all be covered over with grass again. Got a nice gentle slope down to a nice large flat area where we can put a fire pit. He was here about 2 hours, and he did in 2 hours what would have taken me literally weeks to do by hand. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you next time. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link to our Facebook group where we add things almost daily to that. Short videos, photographs, updates on what we're doing over here. So make sure you have a look there. Okay.